Welcome to the CVP Analysis Microsimulation. In this simulation, we take on the role of a factory manager at a leading clothing manufacturer, specializing in high-quality jeans and tops. Our goal is to optimize profitability by balancing pricing, demand, quality, and production efficiency while working toward an operating margin of 10% or higher. Every decision we make will influence our sales, market share, contribution, operating profit, production efficiency, and overall profitability. Upon entering the simulation, we will see various tabs: Game Arena, Readings, Forum, and Leaderboard. Our initial move should be to head to the Readings tab, where we are provided with the necessary reading material and a video tutorial. The reading material provides guidance on the decision-making process, while the walkthrough video provides insights into the scenario, market outlook, and decisions required. Following that, we engage with the forum, where we can interact with the professor either individually or with the entire course. Lastly, there is the Leaderboard tab, where we can track our position at the end of each round and compare our performance with fellow participants. Before making any decisions, we return to the Game Arena and explore the Introduction and Market sections. The Introduction helps us understand how the simulation works, while the Market section provides information about the case scenario, industry overview, and key parameters that will guide our decisions. The Food for Thought segment will also provide important points to consider before we begin. Then we move into the Marketing section. Here we estimate product demand, set our prices, and allocate budgets for advertising and quality control. We use market data, demand trends, cost structures, and competitive information to make informed decisions. Our pricing should remain attractive to customers while supporting profitability, while advertising and quality control investments should help improve sales, customer satisfaction, and product reputation. From there, we continue to the Production section. Here, we plan our production capacity and allocate resources across our products. We need to synchronize production with our projected demand while considering whether additional plant capacity is required. The objective is to meet expected demand efficiently without creating unnecessary excess capacity or production constraints. After making all our decisions, we visit the decision checklist to review the choices we've made. This allows us to verify and adjust our decisions before submission. Once we are satisfied, we submit them by clicking Submit and then select Save and Proceed. It is important to remember that once the decisions are submitted and saved, they cannot be changed for that round. In the Report section, participants can access detailed insights into their performance and understand how their decisions influence the results. We can compare actual sales against our demand forecast, review production planning and stockouts, and evaluate key financial and market indicators. We will also see important KPIs such as operating income, contribution ratio, operating margin, and market share at the product level. At the company level, we can review overall operating margin, market share, and operating profit or loss. The break-even point section helps us understand the minimum sales required to cover our total costs, while the margin of safety indicates how much sales can decline before the company reaches its break-even point. These indicators help us assess the financial risk associated with our decisions. The Synopsis section provides a concise summary of our key decisions, outcomes, KPI performance, and strategic direction. It helps us understand what worked, identify areas for improvement, and plan our strategy for the next round. Once we are ready to continue, we simply click Next Round at the bottom of the Synopsis section and access the next round from the home page. Good luck!